Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be in the human resources field. The company is TriNet. Now, TriNet has over 1,000 reviews on Glassdoor. They come in with a rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. As always, the links to all the pages I share if you want to do your own research or put that application in are always in the YouTube description box below this video. But TriNet is hiring an HR support service specialist. This is remote for the United States only. TriNet is a leading provider of human resources solutions to small and mid-sized businesses. So TriNet is a company that other businesses contract with to handle their human resources, payrolls, benefits, things like that. As a HR specialist, you're going to serve as the initial point of entry for the customer inquiry resolution. So this can be through phone, email, chat, or service cases. So you will have to spend some time talking on the phone with this position on a wide range of human resources related topics. This can be benefits, a payroll, any questions that they have. So you'll be providing excellent customer service to the TriNet clients and worksite employees in various areas of subject matter expertise. You'll work to resolve general low complexity customer issues. You'll ensure proper triage and escalation and effective resolution of the more complex inquiries. And of course, you'll document all your customer interactions in their CRM system. It says that they use a Salesforce system for that. You'll be managing the open cases in the CRM system to resolution in the most shortest, timeliest possible time frame while keeping the customers regularly informed on updated with the resolution. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. It says an associate's degree is preferred, but the only thing required is some general education, vocational training, or on-the-job training that equivalent education and experience, so like a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who's 3 years of customer service experience and someone who has 2 years of human resources experience. Above that, of course, you got to know how to use the whole Microsoft Office suite. You've got to have the ability to maintain confidentiality with the information that you have. You have to have great communication skills, the ability to type 35 words per minute, and the ability to adapt to a fast-paced environment. If human resources is your thing, then this role is, of course, dependent on location and experience that you bring to the table, but it pays anywhere from $43,900 a year all the way up to $66,720 a year. It also says they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, life, all of those types of insurances, a 401k plan, and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.